Hi, and welcome to this Tech Insights video. My name is Mary, and I'm an application engineer here at IFM Effector. You are here because you have either purchased or plan to purchase one of our TD sanitary temperature sensors. In this video, we are going to go over the installation of these sensors. So let's get started. So here you have the Learn More section on our website for our TD sanitary temperature sensors. On the left-hand side, under Setup and Support, you can find the Installation Guidelines section. In this section, we list the different TD sensors that we offer with different process connections, such as a 6mm probe that can be used with a compression fitting, a G half-inch sanitary sealing cone that can be used with various process fittings, as well as the TDs that have an integrated 1.5-inch and 2-inch tri-clamp connection. If you scroll further down, you can see that these sensors do not have a lot of mounting limitations. The one thing we recommend is that they do not be mounted at the bottom of a tank or pipe so that they avoid any buildup over time. The other thing we note in this section is that our process fitting adapters have a leakage port on them to follow 3A guidelines for approval. These leakage ports let you know if the O-ring in that process fitting has become damaged or dislodged and that you need to replace it. Another thing I wanted to show you in this video is that under the Setup and Support section we have this FAQ tab. In this tab, we show other helpful information for our temperature sensors in general. For example, the response time of our temperature sensors, using them with a thermal well and how these thermal wells affect the response time, as well as calculating the accuracy of these sensors and the difference between our RTD technology and thermocouple technology. So now let me show you how to navigate to the datasheet of your specific part number. If you scroll to the top of the page and go to the search term, you can enter your specific part number. In this video, I'm using a TD2233, and then you can press enter, and it'll take you to the datasheet where you can find specific technical details on your specific part number. You can also see this Accessories tab as well as this Downloads tab where you can find the IODD files for your sensor and the operating instructions for your sensor. So now if you want to get back to the Learn More page, you would scroll to the top of this section, here where it says Transmitters with Display for Sanitary Applications Type TD, you can click here. It'll take you to the Overview page of our TD sensors, and here you will see this orange Learn More button. If you click on this, it'll take you back to the Learn More section for our TD sanitary temperature sensors. So that concludes this Tech Insights video on the installation guidelines of our TD sanitary temperature sensors. As always, you can check out our Learn More section on our website for helpful information on any of our products. Feel free to contact us at info.us@ifm.com or call into 1-800-441-8246 to speak with somebody who can assist you. Thank you for your time and have a great day.